Good morning, students. So, hope you all are fine. Class 2, you all are doing well. So, in the last class, in computer, we have done the chapter 2, we have done the role of a computer. Okay, so same thing we are revising today. Now, you see, we will revise and whatever the portion is left, we will complete today. Okay, and after completing, I will be giving you question answers. Okay, other exercises and give you all will do homework in your copy. Okay, children, so let's begin the chapter. So in the last class I have taught you that the role of a computer, like what is the role of a computer, what computer does. Okay, so we have seen many things which computer does. Okay, and computer now, it does not do a task in a particular one place. It has a function in different places. So one by one we are going to recall it. Please look at the blackboard. Okay, see, the first of all, school. So I've said you that computers are used in school. So in school it is used for education purposes, for providing education to the students. Okay, it is used in office, it is used by the teacher for teaching. Okay, it is used for preparing report card and etc. So many things we can do with the help of a computer in school. Okay, so today computer became essential part in your school. Okay, next come to the homes. Now you see homes, your home. Okay, everyone homes. Now at home also computer plays very important role. Okay, so now you see not only the computers are in school, the computers are at home also. At home computers are used for different purposes. Okay, you can do your work, that is you can do your homework, you can learn many things. Okay, you can do online shopping, so many things you can do with the help of a computer at your home. Okay, next is hotel and shop. Now you see in hotel and shop also, today if you go to hotel with your parents for having a lunch or dinner, so at that time you will see that the bill which is prepared, okay, after having a food, when your parents will pay the bill, you will see that bill will be made in a computer in hotel. Okay, in shop also, when you go for shopping, okay, any type of shopping, you see when you pay the bill, the record will be maintained in a computer. Okay, so you see the bill, everything will be prepared in a computer. So computer is very important in every way today. Okay, without computer we cannot think our life. It became very essential part in every part of our life. Okay, next is offices. Now you know in offices also many people that does the work, maybe your parents, okay, that does the work in an office. So when they does the work in the office, so most of the tasks, most of the work are done with the help of a computer. For example, typing a letter, making a bill, making a report, making a presentation of the business. So these all are done in office with the help of your computer. So computer plays very important role. Okay, so this is about your office. So today in every office you will find there is a computer, there is a laptop. Without computers any work cannot be done. Okay children, next, which is very important, that is your bank. Bank, you know what is a bank? It is a place where we deposit money, from where we withdraw the money. So maybe sometime you went to bank with your parents, you might have seen while we deposit the money, okay, or while we withdraw means when we take out the money from the bank. So in that time you will see that computers are used everywhere. You will see in every desk, wherever the cashier or other persons are sitting, manager, okay, in inquiry counter, you will see everywhere there is a computers are there. So you see in bank also they use computer to keep the record of the transactions. Okay, what amount has been deposited, what amount has been withdrawn, that means taken away by the customer. So every detail of the bank, okay, their work will be recorded in a computer. So computer play very important role in bank also. Next come, that is your airport and railway station. Now you see airport, you know, from airport you take a flight. Now today if you have to go to anywhere, okay, within a country or outside the country, so you may book your flight ticket. So when you book your flight ticket, so that booking is also done with the help of your computer. Okay, next come to the railway station. So railway station everyone is very familiar. So today we have, if we have to travel within our country anywhere, suppose you want to go, okay, to any metropolitan cities, that is your Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, okay, so in that case what you are going to do, we have to book our ticket, we have to purchase a ticket. Okay, so when we go to railway station and book a ticket, at that time when you pay the money, you will see the railway stations in ticket counter, a person will use a computer to make a bill. That is, you will pay and they will give you the ticket. Okay, and the record will be maintained, how many people have taken ticket, where they will go. Okay, so everything will be mentioned. So everything will be mentioned in the ticket, and that is done with the help of your computer. Which trains are arriving at what time, in airport also which flights will arrive, which have to depart, okay, if they are delayed. So every information will be recorded in your in computer. So computer is very very important. Okay, now next is hospital. So children, hospital, you know, it is a place where all the human beings are treated. Like we, when we are sick, where do we go? We will not go any other place, we will go to hospital for the treatment. Today the doctors are also using computer for treatment purposes. In hospital, in computer they keep the record of the patients, okay, and several other things they record, they will maintain in a computer. So today the computer became very essential or very important in hospital too. Next is in designing. Now children, in designing, making design, okay, either the dress or any other things, car designing, okay, electronic goods designing they are making. Okay, today car designed or any bike design they are making. So those designs are also made with the help of your computer. In industries they make a design. Suppose today you are buying a very pretty dress, okay, so the fashion designer, they make a design in computers, and then they produces the clothes of the same design. Okay, so next is your publishing. Now next is your publishing. Now you see publishing means, so you see books, copies, okay, when it is published, you see in your book and copy also the outer cover you look, so design it is. Okay, so that designing, the name, color is also done with the help of your computers. Okay, so you see almost everything are done with the help of your computer. Okay, next is research and defense. Now children, research and defense, so research is done by the scientist. Okay, research is done by the scientist. Now see, scientists, they are doing research. For example, now we all are not able to conduct our regular classes. Why? You all know, due to coronavirus, that is COVID-19. Now see, all over the world scientists are trying to find out the vaccines. So they are doing research on the medicine to find out how to make vaccines, how to prevent the disease. So they are using what? They are using the computers. Okay, so they may become successful very soon. So that the work, scientists, they are doing research, that is also done with the help of a computer. Okay, next is defense. Defense, you know, the army, protection of our countries. Okay, so armies are also using computer to find out how can they prevent, they can give us proper safety to our nations. Okay, which types of safety will be useful in the border areas. Okay, so these all are done with the help of your computer. Okay, so you see 10 points we have seen here: school, homes, hotel and shop, office, bank, airport and railway stations, hospital, in designing, in publishing, research and defense. Okay, in everything computers are used. So without without computer we cannot do anything. Okay, so now computer is not only used in that. So you see, computers are used in communications also. Today we are, so these all are places where computer are used. So other places are also there, like communication. Today when we want to talk with someone or we want to do video calling, today you are learning online. Okay, these all are also possible due to computers. Without computer these things will not be possible. Today you see in computer we are sending email, letters we send, so that is also done with the help of a computer. Okay, now in learning skill, so with the help of computer we can learn so many skill today. Okay, today for example someone don't know how to cook food, so with the help of computer at home, with the help of internet, they can learn how to cook food. If some people they have a problem in some languages, so they can learn with the help of a computer. Okay, so you see so many things are there which we can do with the help of a computer. Okay, now role of a computer in learning and teaching. So today you see we have seen all these places where computers are used. Today you see computers are used in school also, you all know. Okay, you all have already learned in class 1, now you are in class 2. Now you see, so computers are used nowadays for teaching, for making the teaching very interactive, very interesting. So today in every school smart boards are there. So that smart board is also a computer. With the help of a smart board, okay, a teacher can guide, a teacher can teach very properly to the student with the help of video images. Okay, so that the student will learn very properly, they will interact very properly, they will understand very properly. Okay, so with the help of smart board, so smart board is nothing but it is also a computer. Okay, even teachers can guide them very properly. Okay, can show them everything, and so the student will get interest. So in computers are also used and in school for better educations. Next, like maybe many of you have a computer at your home, so you see when you feel boring you play games. Okay, you are playing games, so these games are also giving you a knowledge. Okay, so when you are playing game, that means you are playing with the help of computer. Okay, so you see when you're feeling boring, you can listen to music. Okay, so this music is giving you entertainment, the game is giving you entertainment. Okay, even student, if they don't like, they have done their all the work, they have completed the work, they have learned, so they even, some student they watch cartoon in computer. So these all things are done in computer with the help of today. Okay, only electronic device, that is computer only. Next, online teaching and test. Today you see we are able to teach you online. This is also possible with the help of computer through internet. Otherwise, if computer will not be there today, this system, that's online teaching, could have not become successful. So it is very essential. Okay, today you see I am able to interact, I am able to teach you. Okay, only with the help of computer systems only. Today you are listening to me, I am giving you work, you are doing your work, you are learning by staying at your home. So these all are gift of your computers. Okay, now you see so today everywhere computers are used. So it is making, okay, computer has made easy, enjoyable, okay, interacting and child friendly. Today you see many students by looking at the book they don't want to learn, but when in a smart board, okay, or in a computer, when they are taught, they are looking, oh yes, this is this, this is this, so they are, what they are doing, they are learning very properly. Okay, they are learning very properly. So children, your chapter 2, the role of a computer, is completed. Okay, I will be giving you the question answer and other exercises. Okay, you will be doing as a homework in your copy and you will learn it. Okay, make sure that you all are writing and learning very properly. Don't miss it. Okay, today whatever we have learned, you will keep in your mind. Okay, you will give your best. Okay children, thank you for today.